A number of manufacturing companies here in New Albany have shifted gear in light of the COVID-19 pandemic to produce some much-needed gear and supplies like this hand sanitizer. We'll learn more about this important shift in production in this episode of New Albany Connects.
At Baki, Ohio, we traditionally make personal care products, anything ranging from shampoo, conditioner, perfume, cologne, different things like that. Things have shifted pretty dramatically for us. We'd have the benefit of really being able to pivot very quickly to doing essential goods, sanitizer. We've been tooling up many of our lines, really ramping down kind of normal production and really being able to focus on what people need right now to help the community, help people get through this.
Alien Candles is a contract filler of candles for numerous customers in the industry. In the middle of March, Alien Candles decided to go ahead and suspend operations, and then immediately, our team, shifted from making candles and understanding what we can do to really impact everybody during this time. So we decided that face shields was an opportunity for us to start manufacturing. They're going to healthcare industries or healthcare providers within the Central Ohio area, from hospitals to doctors' offices to police departments and fire departments. We set up a website asking people to go there and fill out information, and then we're having people pick up here at the building, and then we're also doing some drop-offs.
We've been able to tool up in less than 2 weeks for a completely new product that we've never done before. That goes to the knowledge of our team and the skills of our team. We've limited the entry into the building to keep things under control. We're taking temperatures of every single person that comes in the building, not only at the start of their shift, but really anytime they come in the building. On the lines, it's a little bit more tricky, but we've been able to be pretty strong about it by separating people and creating dividers to allow people to work, but also keep distance.
We set up additional hand washing stations in the facility. As you can see, we're wearing face masks, we're wearing gloves. We're following that protocol really laid out by the governor and the CDC. Our associates are all spaced out to where they're at least that 6 foot apart, and they understand that need to stay, that social distancing is important for them. Those are some of the things that we're trying to do.
The beauty park here is a great community. It's funny, we're competitors, but we're not. We leverage knowledge from different companies all the time. This is a pretty special circumstance, and we're working together to do whatever we can to make sure we're all successful to help the community. Working extra shifts, working long hours. Everyone has families, friends at home that they're trying to keep safe. They recognize that they have to do something more because they can.
It's a way for everybody to do their part. We've got a great facility, a great workforce. That's what really is, as a company we're about, but also, as a community we're about.
The manufacturing companies that we featured aren't the only New Albany businesses increasing production of COVID-19 supplies. Axiom Plastics and KDC1 have also increased operations. The City of New Albany would like to thank all of our manufacturers who have adopted the mentality that we are all in this together. Stay healthy, be safe, and we'll see you on the next episode of New Albany Connects.